want more.
Enjoying powers of the magic button, I see. Well, you've seen nothing yet. Let me show you how it works. You need powerful magic. Take a look at my new stock. Organic. I love this one. Messy, but good. Makes environment vivid and bushy. Plant away, my friend. Fire. One of my personal favorites. Let me show you what it does. Makes your enemy feel the heat. Explosions. Everything you need to blow up barriers with style. Smoke and dust. Make your magic more impressive. Use it wisely. Be crafty and smart. Energy. Show your massive power. Cast shockingly dangerous spells over your foes. Ooh, getting hot? Use some water. We have liquid elements of great variety, and it's easy to use. Ice and snow. Does miracles in the right hands. Looks cool as well. Comic and morphing elements. An extraordinary set of warpy tools. Fresh, beautiful, and very useful. Make your dangerous trips even more exciting. A wondrous set of transition tools includes brush, liquid, energy, electricity, explosion, fire, smoke, matte, and more. And the last surprise for you, my friend, Brainstorm. This tool kicks ass. Simply select a bunch of elementals and get tons of FX combinations with one hit of a button. See? Magic. Alright, looks like you're all packed. Are you ready? Then let's go! Now let's take a closer look at what's inside the bundle. Really hope you enjoyed the magic. Drop by whenever you want, friend. You're always welcome.